Elon Musk just announced a bold new idea for a $2.4 billion Tesla semi-truck facility. Yes, you heard that correctly. Elon Musk has announced his big new plans for the Tesla semi-truck factory, where he expects to make a profit of $2.4 billion. Hey everyone, and welcome to Tesla News, where we bring you the newest and best updates about Tesla and Elon Musk. For daily videos, please consider subscribing to our channel. Elon Musk is foraying into yet another profession, this time the trucking industry, with a semi-truck supported by his ingenuity and creativity. He has now decided to follow this path, and there is no doubt that he will make the trucking sector far better than it was previously. This is not because he is creating and making more efficient and advanced autos for the future. It is because the factories he is building will revolutionize the industry by manufacturing and producing these vehicles. The factory where he built the semi-truck is the size of 138 football fields. There will also be a boardwalk with a bike and hiking track. The factory can also be described as an ecological paradise because it will have trees with trapping birds on them, as well as streams with fish and butterflies that will flow back to the semi-truck. The Tesla semi-truck is battery-powered, not a fuel-powered Class 8 semi-truck, and it is something that the industry has never seen before. Elon Musk has also showed two prototype cars in November of 2017. The semi-truck, whose manufacturing is expected to begin in 2023, will be fitted with the standard Tesla Autopilot feature, which will allow customers to drive semi-autonomously on the highway, according to Elon Musk. He also mentioned that the company would cover the megacharger sector by deploying them throughout a global network. These megachargers will be solar-powered and capable of charging a truck's battery. Tesla's famed Gigafactory, also known as the Tesla Gigafactory 5, is a factory located outside of Austin, Texas, that has been under development since July 2020. Tesla has stated that this factory will begin mass production by the end of 2021, with the goal of reaching full capacity by 2022. This factory will be the principal production unit for the Tesla Semi and the Tesla Cybertruck. Tesla has also revealed images of the Gigafactory, which showed the completed structures east of Austin. With shots of the construction site and a vast crew of personnel, the images appeared to catch an eagle's eyes perspective on the Gigafactory. Tesla was supposed to not only create the semi-truck, but also to conduct a lot of extra work. According to sources, the factory's additional room was intentionally retained to accommodate the necessity for free-range testing of the semi-trucks it would build. Tesla will make the factory very stunning, Musk stated in a statement. He said the location is ideal because it is located on the Colorado River, and he plans to build a boardwalk with a bicycle and hiking trail because of it. As previously stated, he also stated that the Gigafactory will be open to the whole public and not only Tesla employees. One thing to note is that the state did not provide any kind of financial aid or incentive to Tesla, despite the fact that the firm promised to employ roughly 5,000 people. The Del Valley School District and Travis County, on the other hand, backed it up by providing Tesla a $60 million tax credit based on semi-truck estimates. The Carnegie Mellon College of Engineering and its experts evaluated the Tesla semi-truck conceptually. The study was finished in the middle of 2017. This was based on Musk's statement, in which he indicated in April of 2017 speech that Tesla is working on a heavy-duty long-range semi-truck, that they believe the range weight of the batteries will consume the majority of the weight allowed by the states. ComplexOB7.com has posted on its website stating, Tesla's plans for 280 acres of the 2,100-acre site is acquired for $97 million in July last year, were first detailed in a report to the Texas state government. A vast oblong manufacturing structure immediately east of Texas Highway 130, spanning from near the Colorado River north to approximately Harold Green Road, was part of the proposal filed. It added, the facility's footprint, including parking lot, is 7.9 million square feet, or the equivalent of 138 football fields. It's still unknown what Tesla will do with the site's remaining 1,800 acres, since neither Tesla spokespeople nor Elon Musk himself has addressed the issue. According to their calculations, if the battery weighs 11,800 kilos, it will account for one-third of the vehicle's payload, resulting in a capital cost increase of almost double that of diesel trucks. Customers are concerned about the payload capacity of the production standard Class 8 heavy vehicle. According to resources, the payload capacity of Tesla semi-trucks is greater due to the higher rate allowed in electric semi-trucks in the European Union and the United States. In the European Union, electric semi-trucks can carry 2 tons more than diesel semi-trucks, and in the United States, electric semi-trucks have a payload allowance of 0.9 tons more than diesel semi-trucks, with both the European Union and the United States having a higher weight allowance for heavy electric trucks. Tesla expects the payload to be higher than that of a conventional diesel truck. Throughout the years, Tesla has made significant breakthroughs in battery technology, which will undoubtedly help to increase the payload capacity of Tesla's semi-truck. The 4680 battery cells, according to the Electric Vehicle Organization, are more advanced than those preferred in 2017. These battery cells are light and small, but they pack a lot of high energy density. As a result, the new 4680 battery packs will reduce the weight of the electric vehicles and allow them to carry significantly more cargo. They will also provide a longer range on a single charge. According to the company, the semi-truck will drive over 804 kilometers on a single charge. Furthermore, the vehicle claims everything thanks to the sleek and strong electric motor, which will achieve an efficiency of over 0.80 kilometers per kilowatt hour. They should also take a step back and examine the reality that the company is placing a large risk on the factory's ability to build the electric truck. This truck is a new entrant to the car business that will be unproven to the market viability at a cost of roughly $2.4 billion on a plant of this magnitude. It is unheard of and a new item nonetheless. The truck's future appears to be bright, and it's easy to see why Tesla is so enthusiastic about the projects. Allowing the critical trucking industry to go eco-friendly and zero emissions will be viewed as a major technological triumph, as well as a victory for environmental activists who will view Tesla more favorably when discussing the truck. The truck has managed to achieve a drag coefficient of roughly 0.36, which is unique for any truck and also outperforms a variety of recent passenger automobiles. He also confirmed that the truck has around forward-independent electric engines on the rear axle, enabling torque for 0 to 60 mph acceleration with a full load in just 20 seconds, which is one of the truck's specifications that is so incredible beyond expectations, as reaching a similar speed without the full load would take around 5 seconds. Another fascinating performance statistic of the truck's powertrain is that it allows it to reach a top speed of 65 miles per hour while handling a 5% grade. When it comes to the truck's range, this is 50 times faster and incredible than any other conventional vehicle, which is beneficial for both journey time and traffic reduction. It's as though the car has completed its mission. While the 300-mile range was expected, Musk revealed 2 new battery pack designs that will allow the car to go for up to 500 miles on a single charge. While the 300-mile range was predicted, the 500-mile range is exceptional and makes long-distance travel a breeze. Tesla did not want to provide the details of their battery pack in these trucks, but they can deduce a ballpark capacity of around 1,000 kilowatts per hour, assuming Tesla uses fewer than 2 kilowatt per hour per mile of energy consumption in a 500-mile range. That is larger than expected and exceeds the threshold for a battery breakthrough. There are a slew of other details regarding this amazing truck that will wow you. So this was all. Add your thoughts in the comments section below. Hit the bell icon and also like, subscribe, and share our channel, and stay with us until our next video. We will see you soon with our next video, so be with us, and go watch our Tesla Model X video on your left to see some positive aspects about it as well. Or you can watch our newly updated Tesla Model 3 2022 on your right and learn more about the Tesla world. Thank you so much for watching.